Okay, so good evening, guys. Please, can you all hear me? Okay, please drop a message. Can you all hear me? Guys, can you all hear me? Yes, okay. So, can you see the board? Is there an issue? Yes or no? So, I need quick answers. Yes, okay. Okay, Gavi. Okay, thank you, Gavi. Shah, right. Okay, so, this is our sixth day, right? So this is our sixth day. So today I will start from orthographic projection. Orthographic projection. Please take your second tube. So I'll start that tube. I already paused your tube. So I think you have that tube. Okay. So please take your second tube. Drawing second tube. So then our first topic is orthographic projection. Orthographic projection. Right. Second unit. Okay. Shall we start? You bet. Yes, Sumit. I'll continue that part later. I'll continue that part later. Please take your second tube time. Right. Please take your second tube. Okay. I'll continue that part later. Okay. Right. Our topic. Today topic is orthographic projection. Okay. Right. So orthographic projection. So what's the meaning of orthographic projection, Lamai? So what's the meaning of orthographic projection? So can anyone tell me? Because in physical class, we already discussed orthographic projection, right? Right. Okay. So orthographic projection means look at the object. We look at the object perpendicularly from different direction, and that projection view we draw on our 2D plane of graph paper. That's the simple definition of orthographic projection. So orthographic projection means what? Look at the object perpendicularly from different directions. That projection view we draw on our 2D plane or graph paper. So that's the simple definition of orthographic projection. Okay, understood. Look at the object perpendicularly different directions. That view, that projection, that view, we will draw on our graph paper. So that's the simple definition. Got it, students? So I need your quick response. So, okay. Got it. Right. Orthographic projection. Right. Okay. First part, orthographic projection. Right. Here, to obtain a complete understanding, take your, okay, balana. To obtain a complete understanding of object, it is necessary to view its multiple angles. Multiple angles mean different directions, right? And different positions. In this context, the most important aspects are accurate measurements and clear representation. The method used for this purpose is to project that object into different planes by placing it at the center of imaginary transparent box and drawing the front and side view on a paper. on paper. Okay. So this method is known as orthographic projection method. So this, okay, right. To understand, okay, to understand orthographic projection, principles, an object conceptually placed inside the transparent box in a space, and then the object is viewed from different direction to obtain a various views on the side of the box. Okay, so right, got it. Okay, right. Orthographic projection එහෙම නැත්නම් අපි කියනවා ඍජු මොකක්ද ඍජු ප්‍රක්ෂේපණයට අදාළව අපි සිංහලෙන් ඍජු ප්‍රක්ෂේපණය ගැන තමයි අපි මේ කතා කරන්නේ යන්නේ. Right. එතකොට orthographic projection, right? So this is orthographic projection. So this orthographic projection, students, we can classify it as two types. We can classify as two types. So the first one is first angle projection. The second one is third angle projection. First one, first angle projection. The second one is third angle projection. So, okay. So this orthographic projection, we can divide or we can classify it as first angle projection and third angle projection. Right. So what is first angle projection? What is third angle projection? Right. So before that, we should know about quadrant system. Quadrant system. So what is quadrant system? So you can learn more about quadrant system in SFT under trigonometry. But here, simply, this is your x plane, right? So this is your x plane and this is your y plane, right? This is your x plane and this is your y plane. The quadrant system, okay, right? So the quadrant system, we in Sinhala we called Vurthapada, right? So the quadrant system, okay. So this is quadrant system, Vurthapada. So this is our first quadrant, right? This is our first quadrant. This is our second quadrant, and third and fourth. Third, fourth. Okay. The first quadrant, second, third, fourth. Right? First, second, third, fourth. Okay. So here, so in the quadrant system, under first quadrant, all sine, cos, and tan. All the sine, cos, tan value will be or should be positive. You can get a positive answer. So between 0, here 90 degree, and here 180, here 270, and here also 360. So we can say like this, right? So in this quadrant, all sine, cos, tan value will positive, but under second quadrant, only sine value will positive, and the third quadrant only tan values are positive, but other values are negative. Here only cos values are positive and tan values, sine values are negative. So that's the this is in this quadrant system we use in trigonometry, but we so you can and also you can learn more about in SFT trigonometry part, right? In SFT in trigonometry part, right? So we don't need that kind of thing, and we don't need in ET the drawing part. We don't need that sine values, about cos values, about tan values. We don't need. Only we need to understand, only we need this quadrant system to understand what is first angle projection, what is third angle projection, right? So what is third and what is first angle projection, right? So under first angle projection, we placed our object on first quadrant. right? Under first angle projection, what we do is we placed our object on first quadrant, right? The third angle projection, we placed our object on third quadrant, right? So, okay, got it. ළමයි තේරුණාද? ප්‍රථම first angle projections වලදී first angle වලදී අපි කරන්නේ මේ අපේ object එක place කරනවා මේ පළමු වෘත්තපාතය මත ඊට පස්සේ ඒ අදාළ projection image එක 2D paper එකේ අඳින එක තමයි වෙන්නේ. ඊට පස්සේ third angle වලදී මේ object එක place වෙනවා third එකේ third quadrant එකේ. ඊට පස්සේ ඒක පේන විදිය අපි නිරූපණය කරනවා graph paper එකකින්. ඕක තමයි වෙන්නේ. එතකොට අපිට quadrant system එක කියන එක අවශ්‍ය වෙන්නේ මෙන්න මේ first angle and third angle අතර difference එක identify කරගන්න. Right? Got it. Students, please tell me, do you have any kind of issue? Students? Students? Guys, can you hear me? Yes, okay, Tisuka. Okay, thank you, Tisuka. So, guys, can got it? Yes, right. So, Janitu understood. Kavindi, okay, right. So, Janitu, okay. Dinura, okay. Right. Okay, right. Right. Okay. Right. So here, okay. See, Rama, balana. Okay. So this is our object, right? Guys, this is our object, right? So this is our object. So this is our object. So we placed this object in which quadrant? Lamai? Which quadrant again? Which quadrant? So we placed this. So is this first or is this third? Quick response. I need quick response. So we placed our object, right? So assume this is your quadrant system. This is X plane and this is Y plane. Yes, Shalana says first quadrant. So what about others? Do you have different answers? Okay, guys. I need quick response. Quick. Yes, first quadrant. Do you know what is first quadrant? Quadrant. First, Kavindi also. Yes, we placed our object on first quadrant, right? So this is so therefore now I'm going to discuss about first quadrant. First angle projection. So now I'm going to discuss about first angle projection. Okay, right. This is our object. So object mean in single we call vastu, right? So vastu mean there are different answers. So again. දැන් අපි වස්තුව කිව්වහම අර පණ තියෙන වස්තුන් වලටත් අපේ ගෑනු ළමයි සහ පිරි ළමයි ආමන්ත්‍රණය කරනවා වස්තුව කියලා right. එතකොට මෙතනදී වස්තුව කියලා කියන්නේ මෙන්න මෙයාට මිසක් මේ අර පණ තියෙන වස්තුවට එහෙම නෙමෙයි. Okay, right. So in first angle projection we placed our object on first quadrant and we look at the object perpendicularly from different direction. Right? Okay, assume right. Okay. So wait. We place our object on first quadrant, and what we do, we look at the object, we view the object perpendicularly different direction, from different directions, right? So that view we draw on our graph paper. We draw on our graph paper. Okay, right. Right. Okay, so assume this is our front side. This object front side is this part, this side, right? This is our front side. Okay, this is our front side, and this is our side view. Side. Okay, this is our side. Okay. Here front, and here side, and here plan view. Plan or top view. Here plan or top view. Okay, so here in above mean plan view. This is our front side and this is our side. Okay, it should be this is our right side, right? Sorry, left side. This is our left side. This object left side. This side is right, and this is our front side. This is object. This object front side. Okay, right. ළමයි ඒ කියන්නේ දැන් මේ ඔබ්ජෙක්ට් එකට අදාළව මේ තියෙන යාගේ front එක. අපි හිතමු this is assume right. මේ තියෙන front එක, මේ තියෙන side එක. ඊට පස්සේ අපි උඩින් බලනවා ඒක අපි plan view එක කියලා කියනවා. ඔයාලගේ ගෙවල් වල ගෙදර plan එක, house plan එක. So house plan also we draw according to the plan that අපි උඩින් බැලුවට පස්සේ කොහොමද පේන්නේ කියලා එහෙම තමයි අපි house plan එකක් උනා අඳින්නේ. එතකොට උඩින් බැලුවට පස්සේ පේන විදිහ තමයි plan view එකේදී වෙන්නේ. Right? Okay. So this is our object front side, and here left side or right side, and plan. Okay. Right. Right. If you look at the object from front side, so what kind of image you can see? What kind of image you can see? Lamai, if you look at the object perpendicularly from front side, what kind of image or projection image you can see or you can observe? Lamai, what kind of image? Steps, right? See, okay. See, so now we are going to look at the object in perpendicularly front direction. Wait, right. So this is our front. So what will be the image? If you look at on front, you can see this kind of square shape, right? So you can see, you can observe, or you can observe this kind of square. This kind of square, right? Okay. මෙන්න මේ වගේ රූපයක් නේද ඔයාලට පේන්නේ? If you look at the object perpendicularly from front direction, so you can observe this kind of square shape image. Am I correct? So හරි නේද? බලන්න ඔයාලට පේන්නේ මේ වගේ රූපයක් නේද? මේක මේ විදිහට තමයි පේන්නේ. පේනවද? Guys, understood? Yes or no? Okay. So others, Janidu. Yes, sir. Okay. Right. Okay. So if you look at the object from front direction, you can see this kind of image. Right. So, okay. So if you look at the object from the side, in the left side, So what kind of image or what kind of image you can observe if you look at on this direction, this side. So what kind of image you can observe? See, you can see this kind of image. First. Right. Okay. So you can see, you can observe this kind of shape. If you look at the object perpendicularly on left side, you can get this kind of image. Right. Am I correct? ළමයි හරි නේද? තේරුණාද? මෙන්න මේ වගේ එකක් ඔයාලට පේනව නේද? Yes. Can you give a quick response? Yes, okay. Yes, you meant. Yes. All right, okay. So if you look at the object from right side, so you can, left side, you can observe this kind of image, right? Right. If you look at the object from above, so what kind of image you can observe? So this kind of but we need to right. Right. If you look at the object from above, so you can observe this kind of image. තේරුණාද? මෙන්න මේ වගේ image එකක් නේද පේන්නේ, right? So you can observe this kind of square shape image. You can observe this kind of square shape image. You guys understand? So this is our front and side, and this is our plan view. Front view, side view, and plan or top view. So this will be the shape. So these are the shape. If you look at the object from front side and left side and above. ඉහළින් බලපුවම පේන විදිය. මෙන්න මේ වගේ image ටිකක් නේ අපිට එන්නේ ළමයි. right? මෙන්න මේ වගේ එකක් එනවා. Then make it the first angle projection වල there are some principles, and the third angle projections වල there are some principles, rules. That rules we need to follow, right? දැන් අපි සරලව මේ වැඩේ මෙහෙම එකක් වෙන්නේ කියන එක තමයි මම ඔයාලට පැහැදිලි කරේ. Okay, so here I explain about what we going to do, right? What we going to do, right? මේ දක්වා we discuss කරපු ඒ වගේ ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවා. So guys, do you have any kind of questions up to now? Please tell me. Yes or no? You don't? Do you have any kind of questions up to now? No. So what about others? No, sir. Right. So what is, yeah, Tisuka? No. So what is quadrant? Yeah. I'm not specify this is first quadrant or third quadrant. Only we placed our object on first quadrant, but here again then මම මේකේ තිසුක මේ ටික පිළිවෙලට ඇඳලා නැහැ. මම නිකන් ඔයාලට පේන විදිය මේ රූපේ අපි තනින් තර ඇඳගත්තා. දැන් අපි මේක ඉස්සරහට කරන්න යන්නේ මේක අර කොහොමද නිවැරදිව අඳින්නේ according to the first angle rules and the third angle rules. So now I'm going to discuss with you about these things, right? Okay. So, right. අපි note එක ලියාගමුද? Right. Okay. The orthographic projection used in engineering drawing is mainly of two types. Mainly two types. Tute එක ගන්න ළමයි. Please take your tutes and complete and write this. Wait. Wait. Okay. Separate ළමයි give me minutes. Okay. So wait, I'll open. Right. Okay. Liagam lamai, please copy this. The orthographic projection, 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 the orthographic projection used in engineering drawings, used in engineering drawings, used in engineering drawings is mainly of two types, is mainly of two types. First one. Okay, the first one is first angle, orthographic projection. Right. The second one is third angle orthographic projection. Right. Projection. Okay. So the first one is first angle orthographic projection. The second one is third angle orthographic projection. Right. So Lamai, my question is, what is first angle projection? Can anyone tell me? So what is, we already discussed, so that's why I'm asking. So what is a first angle projection? So what's the meaning of first angle projection? Can anyone tell me? So you can unmute your microphone and you can speak. Mic එක unmute කරලා කතා කරලා කියන්න. මොකක්ද orthographic projection එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ? So can anyone, is there any volunteer? So where we placed our object, or which quadrant we placed our object under first angle projection? So which quadrant we placed our object on first angle projection? Can anyone tell me? Yeah, first quadrant. Yeah, first quadrant. Okay, right. So the first angle projection, what we do is we placed our object on first quadrant and we perpendicularly allocate the object from different direction. That view we draw on our 2D plane. Our 2D plane or a graph paper. Okay, got it? Tamai note එක දෙන්න හදන්නේ තේරුණාද? Do I need to explain again? Yes or no? I need quick response. තමයි මේක එක්සෑම් එකට එනවා. ඒකයි මම මේ මෙච්චර රිපීට් කර කතා කරන්නේ. මොකද මාක්ස් ගන්න පුළුවන් පාර්ට් එක. Right? Okay, understood. Right. Okay. Right. Right. Okay, so the first angle orthographic projection. Copy ලියා ගන්නකො note එක. Please write down your note. First angle projection is okay. First angle projection is first angle projection is first angle projection is first angle projection is a first angle projection is a standard method of representing the three-dimensional shape, three-dimensional shape three-dimensional shape of an object on a two-dimensional shape, two-dimensional shape. Sorry, Lamai. Two-dimensional plane. Sorry for that. Two-dimensional plane. In technical drawing. In this method, the object is imagined to be placed in the first quadrant. First quadrant comma first quadrant comma first quadrant comma meaning it is positioned between the observer and projection plane. It is positioned between the observer and projection plane. When viewed, comma, wet view, comma, the appearance of the object is projected opposite to the direction of weaving. And these views are recorded on various image planes to construct the drawing. Okay, to construct the drawing. For example, the front view is drawn behind the projection plane. See, Lamai, the front view we drawn behind the projection plane. See here. So this is our front view. We draw that view behind the object or behind the object. See, so this is our front. We draw on that view behind the object. Right. Here. Front view is drawn behind the projection plane. See, behind the projection plane. The top view is placed below the front view. The top view is placed below the front view. And the right side view is shown on the left side. Okay, shown on the left side. Shown on the left side. And the left side view is shown on the right side. This method is commonly used in Sri Lanka, as well as most European and Asian countries. European and Asian countries. Asian countries. European and Asian countries. European and Asian countries. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. Okay, students. Right. Right. Please look at the board. Lamai, look at the board. Not take a complete the. Not take a complete the. Do I need to repeat again? Lamai. I need quick response. Chanidu. So do I need to repeat again? No, right. Chisuka, no, right. Thank you, Ginoda. Right. 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 Okay. Please look at the board. Under first angle projection, what we do is we placed our object on first quadrant, then perpendicularly look at the object from different direction. Different direction means above and front or side. You can look at the object, and that image or that view you need to draw on 2D paper or graph paper. So that's the simple way, right? That's the simple definition or simple things. That's it. Okay. Right. Right. See. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Take. ළමයි ගන්නකො graph paper ඔයාගේ graph book එක. Please take your graph paper book. Please take your graph paper book. අග්ගල අරගෙන resign කරන්න. Graph paper පොත ගන්න. Right? Please take your graph paper book. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. The first thing you need to do is your make a your graph paper, right? The graph paper contain rule paper and the graph paper. Again, graph එකයි rule එකයි විදිහටනේ තියෙන්නේ. ඔයා ඒකේ මේක ගන්න ඕන graph paper. අදින්න ඕන මේක. ලියන්න. The topic is first angle projection. The topic is first angle projection, and you need to divide your graph paper like this, right? Assume this is your graph paper, right? Assume this is your graph paper, right? Okay, assume this is your graph paper. This is your graph paper. So first you need to draw a line, and this part you need to divide like this, and you need, okay, right? Wait. Lamai, please wait. Please wait. Okay. Right. Okay, students. Okay. So this is your graph paper. Assume this is your graph paper. This is your graph paper. So you need to divide your graph paper like this. Right? මෙන්න මේ විදිහට graph paper එක බෙදා ගන්න ඕන. So here you need to draw this object. You need to draw this object, right? Here, you need in here, you need to draw this object, and here also you need to draw this object. So, so as we have drawn this last week, do we have to do it again? No need, Kinra. No need. So if you want, you can do, but if you don't need, it's okay. Right. The first thing you need to do, Lamai. So what is the topic? The topic is Stefan, first angle projection. Stefan, topic is first angle projection. So then you need to divide your graph paper like this. And this space and this space, you need to draw this object. This object, right? You need to draw this object. Okay. Right, you need to draw this object. So you can draw come on. Wait, I will use this whiteboard. This easy. This is it. It's easy for me. Okay. Uh, wait, am I? Right. Okay, right. Right. See, yes. Our topic is first angle projection, and assume this is your graph paper, right? This is your graph paper. This is your graph paper. This is your graph paper. So then you need to divide this as like this. You need to divide this. You need to divide this like this. Okay, right. So then you need to draw that square staircase part. You need to draw that staircase part, right? Okay, you need to draw that square shape staircase part like this. Right. You need to draw square shape part like staircase part like this. Quickly draw with me, Lama. Right. Quickly draw with me. Right. So you need to draw like this. Quickly draw this and raise your hand after finish. Lamai, raise your hand after finish. Quickly you need to draw this. Okay. So you need to draw this quickly. Lamai, एक मिनट अंदर raise your hand. Please raise your hand after finish. Please raise your hand after finish. Okay. Please quickly draw this. Lamai. Please raise your hand after finish. Okay. Please raise your hand after finish. No, Laman. Please draw same. You can right side එකේ පොඩියටද අඳින්න ඕන. No. Same size වලින් අඳින්න. දෙකම එකම size එකකින් අඳින්න. Lamai, please raise your hand after finish. Lamai, Chanidu, did you finish? Right. All are done, right? Wait, Lamai, wait. Okay, right, right. Okay, Lamai. All are done. Okay, so I'm also done, right? Assume, Lamai, assume this is your front view, right? This is your front side. This is your front side. This is your front side, and here your side view. Side. And in above mean plan view or top view, right? Top view. Plan view or top view. Here mean the plan view or top view. Okay, right? So according to the object, this side is front and this side is a left or right side. So we call side view. Here front view and above plan or top view. Right? Right. So if you look at the object on front side, so we can get this kind of image. We already discussed. You can get this kind of image. So actually what we do is perpendicularly you compress this object. Well, make a compress කරනවා කියලා හිතන්න. So what you need? what you need to do is you compress this. Compress. So as you in front side you compress this object. අපි compress කරාම පස්සේ මෙන්න මේ වගේ නේද අවසානයේ එයා flat surface එකකට ආවට පස්සේ. So when it's come to the flat surface, the image should be like this, right? Image should be like this. So if you look at the object from front direction, so your image will be like this, should be like this. Okay, so your image should be like this, right? Right, your view like this. Okay, right. So the first angle projection, so there are some rules. So what are the rules? Always that projection image need to project opposite direction according to the viewing direction. Viewing direction එකට opposite direction එකේ තමයි project වෙන්න ඕන, right? Always that projection image should be placed on opposite direction according to the viewing direction. Okay, viewing direction. Okay, right. So this means so first what you need to do, you need to divide your graph paper, right? So you already divide your graph paper, then assume this part. So this part is your graph paper, right? So that part ළමයි මෙන්න මේ ටික ඔයාගේ graph paper කියලා දැන් හිතන්න ඕන. මේ කැලල ගැන මේ උඩ ටික ගැන මොකුත් හිතන්න එපා. When think about above parts, only you need to think about this, right? එයා ගැනත් නෙමෙයි හිතන්න ඕනේ. මෙන්න මේ part එක ගැන හිතන්න ඕන, right? Right. එතකොට assume this is your graph paper. The red color square shape. This part, this is your graph paper, right? Okay. So this is your object. The first thing you need to do is you need to draw a okay. Right. Okay. Then මේ තියෙන ඔයාගේ object එක, this is your object. Then you are going to draw that views according to the front direction, according to the side view, according to the flank view. You are going to draw that image, that projection image. Draw that projection image. Okay. Right. The first thing you need to draw that kind of, this is your y line, y, and this is your x line, right? මෙයා x එක, මෙයා y එක. මේ විදිහට first you need to draw this kind of two lines. First you need to draw this kind of two lines and assume this line is y. මේ y. මෙයා x කියලාත් හිතන්න දැන්. ඔයාගේ මේ graph paper එක, this is your graph paper. See, don't think about, assume this is your graph paper. Then here this part may be a graph paper කියලා තමයි මේ හිතන්නේ, right? What you need to do is you divide like this, and this is your y and this is your x. Same, y and x. If you look at the object from here, your projection image should be placed here. And if you look at the object from here, your projection image should be placed here. This means opposite direction. Methaniin බැලුවොත් මෙතන. එනිසා, so this is your front. Okay, this is your front and this is your side. Okay, this is your side. So there is another rule. What? Always plan view should be located below the front view. Under first angle projection, always that plan view or the top view should placed below the front view. So here we need to draw our front view here. So therefore, our plan view should place, we need to place here. Okay, right. Got it? Guys, did you understand what I mean? Do I need to repeat again? Please tell me. Yes, got it. Quickly, I need quick response. ළමයි quickly කියන බලන්න මේක තේරුණාද? Guys, understood. Stefan, okay. Janidu, okay. So you made then other, you made Dilith, Janidu, Kavindi, and okay. Right. All are clear. All right. Yes, all clear. Okay. Right. So therefore, so this is your front side. So this means your front image should place here. Your front image should place here and image like this. Okay. ඒ කියන්නේ image එක මෙන්න මේ විදිහට නේද වදින්න ඕන. You need to draw this image like this. Okay. Right. So this is your front. Okay. This is your front. And only if you look at the front direction perpendicularly, only you can see this part, and this part. These are visible lines, edges. So therefore, this part like this, right? Only you can see this is 1, 2, 3. Here 1, here 2, and 3. Okay, right. So then this is front view. Front. Front. View. Front view. Okay. This is front view. Right. So your side view should be like this, no? Your side view should be like this. Okay. Your side view should be like this. So I'll draw here. So that part I will draw here. Okay. Got it? Right. So what will be the plan view? Lamai? So what will be the plan view? Lamai, what will be the how will be the plan view? Sorry. So our plan view should be like this. So our plan view should be okay. So if you look at the above of the object, if you look at the above from the object, so only you can see this part, and this part. So you can see this kind of image. So you can get this kind of image. Okay. So you can get this kind of image, right? So this is your here. This is your side view. Side. Here, your top view. Right. Always you need to write by using capital letters, right? The front view, side view, and top view. Okay. Got it, Lamai? Got it? Right. So this is your front view and side view, top view. This is your top or plan view, right? Always this plan view or top view located below the front view. This is a rule. It's a rule, right? It's a rule. Okay. Got it. Terunada. Guys, I need quick response. Yes, okay. Wow, Mark. Right. Right. Okay. So now I'm going to change the direction. Change the direction mean our front side and the side view. Now I'm going to change. Right. Assume, Lamai, assume this is your front. Okay. This is your front. Right. Front. Okay. This is your front and this is your side. Okay. The plan same. Here plan or top view. Plan or top view. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. Here, this is our front side. This part, this side is our object front. So this side is our object side. Side mean left side or right side. So above, okay, no issue. The plan or top view, right? Right, right. If we take this side is our front, so is front. So where should we draw? Where we should draw this side view. Assume this is our 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Right. Where? Where should draw? Where should draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So give me a number, please. Give me a number. So this section, this part, we need to draw our front view. අපේ front එක කොතනද අදින්න ඕනේ? Number 2, number 1, number 3, number 4 මේ විදිහට තියෙනවා. So where? So if we change the change side, so where we need to, yes, the geometry says number 2. Okay, so others, so Stefan, carving, yes, carving also says number 2. Janidu, Stefan, Dilith, Ginura. Yes, 2 sir. Okay, right. Yes, we need to draw our front view here, Laman. We need to draw our front view here. Okay, right. So, okay, right. So I'll draw. This is our front view. Okay, this is our This is our front view. Uh, okay. Right. So this is our front. According to this image, this is our front. Okay. So where we need to draw our side view? Lamai, where we need to draw our side view? Quick response. So there are three numbers. 1, 4, 3. So where we need to draw? Yes, number one, Dumit. Yes. We need to draw our side view here. Okay. So I'll draw like this. Okay. I can draw like this. Right. Okay. Right. So now the last stuff, last question. Last question. So where we need to draw a plan view. අපි plan එක කොහෙද අඳින්නවද? Where we need to draw. So where? So there are two numbers, 4 and 3. Only we have two numbers, 4 and 3. So guys, where? Yes, who's it? Yeah, we need to draw a plan view here. Why? There is a rule, right? What rule? That rule says always plan view should be located below the front view. And Lamai, and there is one thing. What? You should always draw your plan view according to the front view. According to the front view mean what? According to the front view. According to the front view. So this means you placed a ladder on front side. Ladder එකක් තිබ්බා front එකට. Front side එකකින් ladder එකක් තිබ්බා. You place a ladder on front side and climb up. උඩට නැග්ගා. නැගලා මොකද කරන්නේ? You can observe the top view. So that view you need to draw here. So therefore, our plan view like this. Okay. Our plan view like this. Got it? Why? See, this is our object. So we place a ladder and climb up and we observe the top view. That view we need to draw here. So here also same. So we placed ladder on front side and climb up and observe the front top view. That view you need to draw here. Guys. Okay, so okay. Got it? Lamai, can you understand what I mean? So you need to draw your plan view always according to the front view. And that plan view should locate it below the front view. Got it? තේරුණාද ළමයි? So this is our side view, right? Side. Side view and front view. Here, top view. Guys, did you understand what I mean? Please drop a message. Okay. Yes, sir. So what about others? Others, sir, ඒකේ top view එකේ box vertical වෙන්නම ඕනේද? Box එක vertical. Tumit, I can't understand what you mean. Sir, ඒකේ top view එකේ box vertical වෙන්න ඕනේද? Yes, you mate. Why? Right. ඔය අහන්නේ මෙහෙම කතාවක් නේද? මෙන්න මේකේ vertical අපි එන්නේ කියලානේ අහන්නේ. Right. So, the thing is අපි front side එකට අදාළවනේ මෙයා වඳින්නේ හැම වෙලාවෙම. front side එකට අදාළවනේ. එතකොට ඔයා ඉනිමගක් තියලා ඔයා හිතන්න front side එකේ ඉනිමගක් තියලා උඩට නැගලා ඒ පේන විදිහ අඳිනවා කියලා. එතකොට ඔයාට මේක තේරෙනවා. ඒ නිසා තමයි අපි මේ විදිහට ඇන්නේ. නැත්තම් මෙයාව ගෙනාවා මෙහෙමනේ සෙට් වෙන්නේ. මෙහෙම අනිත් පැත්ත හරවලා මෙහෙම තියලා තල් කම්ප්‍රෙස් කරා කියලා. මේකෙදි මෙයා අපි front එක, this is our front view. So you need to draw the top view also according to the front view. It's a rule. Hurry, then there now. Okay. Okay, Vivek. Right. Please copy this. Please copy this. Please copy this. Now you need to copy this quickly. Right? So you need to write this is front view, side view, top view by using capital letters, and the text height is 5 millimeter. The text height is 5 millimeter. Right? The text height is 5 millimeter. මෙතනදී ඔයා ඒ දේවල් ගැන එච්චර හිතන්න එපා. You don't need to care about these things. First, you need to understand the concept. So then we can correct other things. Right, please copy this and raise your hand after finish. ළමයි, I finish. Guys, did you finish? Chanidu? Yes. Chani, you made done. Others? Kavindya, okay. Kavindya. Done, sir. Right. Lamai. So others, Stefan, do you need more time? Stefan. Finish. Okay. All are finished, right? Okay. Right. Please take your tute. Please take your tute and turn page number what? Data. Okay. Okay. Wait down. Okay. Right. There is an example, Lama. So there is an example here also. Okay. Right. Can you see the word? Guys, can you see the word? Guys, තමයි board එක පේනව නේද? තමයි. Yes, okay. Right. Right. So there is another example. So here, please take this object front is here. This is your front. Okay. This is your front and this is your side. Okay. This is your side. Here side. Okay. Here side and here plan. Okay. Here plan. Right. Here we change directions, like here our front, and here our side view, here our side view, and here our plan view. Okay, plan or top view, right? Okay, so first you need to complete this part, and after finish this part, you can go for that. Right? Okay, right. So this is your object and assume this is your graph paper. So here we already divide that graph paper into 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts. Okay, right. So here, okay, so Right. The first thing what you need to do is, Lama, you need to draw a horizontal line, vertical line, horizontal line. So that line we can label as here y and here x. So assume this is your y part and this is your x. Okay, y and x. Right. So according to that, if we look at this direction, if you take our front as this side, so where should our projection image locate? So here number 1, number 2 and number 3, number 3 and number 4. Okay, so can anyone tell me where the front view locate? Where the front view locate? Can anyone tell me? So according to that. Yes. Yes. So the human says number 1. Stefan also number 1. Kavinda, yes. Okay. All are correct. So our front view need to draw here. Okay. Our front view need to draw here. So our plan view where? Plan view. So where? Need to draw our plan view. Plan view. Quick. I need quick answer. Plan. අපි plan එක කොහෙද දිනනවා? 3, 4, 2. There are 3 numbers. Yes, Stefan says number 3. So what about others? Do you have any different answer? Do you have any different answers, guys? Quick response. I need quick response. So then only we can do this fast. Others, Janidu, Kavindi, Ginura, yes, Ginura also, yes, 3. So Humit, yes, Humit 3. Janidu. Delete. Yes, all are correct. Yes, all are correct. So we need to draw our plan view of top view here. Okay, so our side view we need to draw here. Side view we need to draw here. Right. Okay, so can you draw? If you look at the front, so what will be the image? So what kind of image you can observe? So you need to draw here. So if you look at from this direction, so what kind of image you can get? You can draw here. And the plan view also you need to draw here. Right. Please quickly to do this. Please quickly do this part. ඉක්මනින් කරමු ළමයි. Lamai, guys, guys, I finished. Did you finish? Um, I, yeah, can't. Right. So you myth done, right? So what about others? Is you are still doing, right? Others. Lamai, guys, are you finished? So, Lamai, so if you finish this part, you can go for that. Go for that. Okay, you can go for that part and to draw this according to the front and side plan. So here we change the front and side. So according to that, you need to draw your projection image. Quickly draw this. Quickly. Please quickly draw. Okay, guys, I finish. Did you finish? Guys, Lamai, Harida. So Stefan, carving the Jani to you met done. Delete. So, yes, delete right. Stefan finish. Okay, right, right, right. Check. Check the answer. Right. You all have got this kind of image. May I give image a color? May I give a color? Yes. Correct now. Harinam raise hand එකක් දාන්න. ඔයාලා අඳපු image ටික හරිනම් දාන්න බලන්න raise hand කරන්න බලන්න. Please raise your hand. You got same results. Yes, Stefan got same. Yumet also got same. So others, Johnny do delete. Yes, delete is also same. Right. Okay. Right. Here you can see there is a dash line. So why we use this dash line? To show hidden lines, hidden edge. So here, if you look at from this side, so there is a hidden line. So that's this hidden line we need to show on our drawing. Right. So that one, that hidden line, we can represent by a dash line. So here also there is a dash line, please. So why? If you look at here if you look at from this side, so there is a hidden line. There is a hidden line. So that hidden line also you need to show. You need to show as a dash line. So this dash line we used for represent hidden lines. To show the hidden lines, we use dash lines. Dash lines අපි පාවිච්චි කරනවා, right? Okay. Right. So shall we go? Okay, shall we go to the next part? ළමයි අපි මේ පැත්තට යමුද? Right. So here, so we change the direction, right? Directions mean we change the front and side views. So this is our front view and this is our side view, and the plan view we don't need to change. Okay, right. According to that, so can anyone tell me, please, where we need to draw our plan view or the top view? So here 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So can anyone tell me where we need to draw out the plan view or top view? Please. I need quick answer. Just three. So Jumet says 3. Stefan said 4. So guys, do you have another the different answers? So what about Giro also 4? Others? Ginura. So Jani to Tilit. So what about your answers? What is your answers? Now I pick. Yes, Ola. Yes. So you meant. Why did you think our plan view should locate it here? So the number 4. Sorry, number 3. So you meant. You meant. You meant. The answer is Lamai. Yeah, you may say. Okay. So others, why are you? So this is Lamai. See, this is your side view and this is your front view. So your front view located here, Lamai. Here, your front. So therefore, we need to draw our plan view below the front view. So therefore, you need to draw your plan view here, guys. So Stefan, Ginur, Carvin, you all are wrong. Why? What's wrong? Lamai? Any veradune? So this is our front view, Lamai. So our front locate here mean okay. Right? Right. Okay. You right. Others? So Delhi Stefan. Now you can understand. Understood. Clear. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. Right. So right. Okay. Right. If we look at from this direction, our front view should be like this. Okay. Our front. Okay. So our front view like this. And our side view. Our side view like this. Our side view. Right. Our side view like this. And we need to draw a front view, sorry, plan view like this. Okay, we need to draw a plan view like this. Guys, right. You can get this kind of projections image. Here also, you need to draw a dash line here and here. So why? Why you need to draw this kind of dash line? To show the hidden lines of the object. Object එකේ hidden lines ටික පෙන්වන්න තමයි we use this dash lines. We use this dash lines. Guys, did you understood? And did you understand what I mean? Lamai? Yes, sir. So others, Janidu and Jumet, Stefan, Dilith. So you all are put same image. So the plan view. So plan view thing. So the plan view. So here and here check. So see. So here and here. So this one and this one, what? There is a difference, right? So why this happen? I mean, what is the equality? Ramai? See, this is and here. So we can write. Okay. So this is our front. Okay. Front view. Front view. Side view and top view. Top view. Here, side view and front view, and here the plan view or top view. Here the plan view. Sorry, the top view. The top view. Top view. Okay. Right. Okay. So here the top view. See, there is a difference. So why that's kind of things happens? Why? So why? So we always need to draw this plan view or the top view according to the front view. According to the front view. The front view so that's why it's happened. Got it, guys? Got it? Got it? So lamai. Yes. Okay. So others. Others. Yes. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. Right. There are some examples you can do here. The section view. Right. Draw the following figures from first angle projection. Draw the following figures from first angle projection. The number 5. So you need to draw these figures according to the first angle projection. So right. Take this arrow side is your front. Always you need to take this arrow side is your front, and other side is side, and this left or side right side. Okay, right. Again, the front view එක විදිහට ගන්න මේ arrow එක දාලා තියෙන පැත්ත අනිත් පැත්ත ඔයාගේ side එක විදිහට අරගෙන you can draw here, right? So this is your x and y line. Okay. So assume this is your y line and x line. Y, x. Okay. So always you need to draw this kind of horizontal and vertical line. And if you look at the object in from this direction, so this is your front and this is your side. So and plan. Right. So the front should be located according to the first angle projection. The always front view. Always the front view should be located behind the object or the opposite direction again. Opposite direction again. Right. If you look at the object, so the projection image will project opposite direction. Opposite direction means the front should be here. This is your front. This is your front, and this is your side. And the plan or the top view should be here. The top view should be here, right? So this is the in this part according to this. So this is your front. Okay, this is your front, and this is your side. So according to that, you need to draw the projection image. According to that, you need to draw the projection images. Okay. Yes. Can you do? Can you draw these things? So please do this part as a homework. Right? Please do this part as a homework. Okay. Do you have any kind of questions up to now? මේ දක්වා අපි ඩිස්කස් කරපු ඒවාට අදාළව මොනවා හරි ප්‍රශ්න තියෙනවද? Case, do you have any kind of questions? You know. Yes or no? So others, Lilith, Inura, Harvindi, Janitu, you made. Case, do you have any kind of questions up to now? Yes or no? No. So others, no. No. Stefan. Sir, calling in the okay. Please. මේ කවුද? යොමේ ඒක ගැන එච්චර කියා කරන්න එපා. දැන් අපි මේක ඩිමෙන්ෂන්ස් වලට නෙමෙයිනේ යන්නේ. So ඒ නිසා සමහර වෙලාවට අර අපි එකම සයිස් එකට එන්නේ නැහැ. මම මේ බෝඩ් එකේ නිකන් ස්කෙච් නේ යන්නේ. එතකොට අර නිකන් ඔයාලට පේන එක normally sketch අඳින්න. හරි sketch එක අඳින්න. අපි dimensions වලට අඳිද්දි correct sizes වලට අඳිමු. Okay? Right. Please don't care about that. All right. Okay. So any kind. So Jumit. So all clear. Right. So then, shall we wind up the session? Alaman. So please do this part as the homework. And so next week I will discuss about third angle projection and third angle projection and the dimension part also. Okay, so shall we wind up the session? Let's do it. Okay, right. Okay, so now good night all. I go on.